and there was a list of recommended education for a nutritionist, and the link for Humber was there. And when I read what was offered through the program, I was so impressed. It was literally everything that I wanted to do at that point.
You're taught all the fundamentals in first year about nutrition. There's marketing courses, culinary courses. Those fundamentals are built upon in second year. You do workshops, you're teaching outside people, you're doing counseling. One of my favorite parts of the whole program is my internship. We're putting the things we've learned and putting them into legit practice. Working one-on-one with a client, set goals, and really put my counseling skills to the test. The culinary labs were absolutely one of the best parts of the program. Doing menu planning and menu modification on paper is one thing, but also being able to experiment in the kitchen and see what happens, like actually practice what you're preaching.